Kraton, Indonesia. Kraton or Keraton Javanese, or is a type of royal palace in Indonesia. Its name is derived from the Javanese ka-ratu-an, meaning residence of the ratu, the traditional honorific title for a queen. In Java, the palace of a prince is called pura or dalem, while the general word for palace is istana, identical to Malay. Specific palaces. Kraton that function as the residence of a royal family include Yogyakarta, Jogja region, Kraton Jakarta Hadiningrat Palace of Sultan Hamengkubuwono, Pura Pakualaman Palace of Adipati Pakualam, Surakarta Solo region, Kraton Surakarta Hadiningrat Palace of Susuhunan Pakubuwono, Pura Mangkunegaran Palace of Adipati Mangkunegara, Sayarban area, Kraton Kaspuhan Palace of Sultan Seppo, Kraton Kanaman Palace of Sultan Anam, Kraton Kasarbonan Palace of Sultan Sayarban, Kraton Kaprabonan ID Palace of Sultan Praban. Historical palaces. The locations of former Kraton have been determined by historical records or archaeological efforts. Former Kraton include Kraton Ratu Boko, east of Yogyakarta in the Prambanan area. The structure dates from 9th century and is thought to belong to the Sailendra or Mataram kingdom. However, local inhabitants named this site after King Boko, the legendary king in Loro Jongrang folklore. Kraton of Majapahit in Trolan, Mojokerto, the capital of the former Majapahit. Sites such as Pendopo Agong Majapahit are thought to be remnants of the Kraton of Majapahit. In Banten region, there are remnants of the Sultanate of Banten's palaces. Kraton Surasoan, Banten, former royal palace of Sultanate of Banten. Kraton Kaiban, the former palace of Queen Mother. In Surakarta and Yogyakarta region, there is the remnants of Sultanate of Mataram palaces. Kota Jid, remains of a palace from the 16th century. Karta and Plurd, there are remains of palaces from the 17th century. Kraton Kartasura on the outskirt of Surakarta, remains of palace and city wall, also dated from 17th century. Metonymic use. The term Kraton Palace is also used as a way to refer to the court which it houses. This is especially the case for native Indonesian states where the succession is disputed, giving issue to two or more branches of the dynasty, or even rivaling dynasties, each setting up an alternative court while competing for the same state, but generally only controlling part of it. An example is the West Javan state of Sayarban, which was founded in 1478 and since 1662 was ruled from 3 Kraton palaces. Kraton Kaspuhan, using as the ruler's style sultan. Kraton Kanaman, style sultan. Kraton Kasarbonan, style sultan.